Welcome to this guided meditation. If you are here in order to remove personal emotional blockages, you are in the right place and at the right time. Thank you for being here. The relaxation phase helps you to release stress and anxiety, to release any type of pressure. If a disturbing thought comes up during the meditation, say to yourself, I will remember to deal with it after the meditation. This is your chance to release all baggage you carry on. This is the time for your own personal needs. Make sure you are in a comfortable sitting position as recommended for this meditation. Close your eyes and start breathing a little deeper than usual. And with each exhalation, you feel more relaxed. Let the muscles loosen themselves. The facial muscles, the neck, shoulders and hands to the fingertips, chest and abdomen, and all the internal organs. Hips and legs to the tip of the toes. And all the back muscles. And now, as you begin to sink into a deeper state of relaxation, imagine yourself moving to a positive, energetic place. The Temple Mount in Jerusalem is recommended, which is the energy center of the universe. You can imagine the Western Wall or any other place you feel connected to. Let the positive energy of the place envelop you from all the sides. Allow yourself to feel protected and calm. Look for a moment at the symbol on the screen, the symbol through which we will summon the divine energy. This symbol also acts as a spiritual cleanser, removing energetic and emotional blockages. Imagine the light of the Creator flowing like pure and clean water through the Temple Mount, through the symbol, towards your head. The light enters the head and washes away every mental conflict. Gradually, we feel the head lighter and lighter. Give yourself a moment to clear your head from mental conflicts. Continue and stream the light to the chest, specifically to the lungs, to clear any type of distress stuck deep in the chest. And again, give yourself a moment to clear your lungs and to clear the chest from any type of distress. We are visualizing the light flowing through the chest, cleansing all negative emotions. We are directing the light towards the heart with the intention to cleanse every emotion of disappointment that is stuck in the heart. It can be that we are disappointed from our own actions and from our own achievements. It's better to clean this out. And it could be that we are disappointed from other people. And again, it's better to clean it out. Because there are no mistakes in the universe and everything is accurate What's done is done, and we should go forward. The light continues to flow within, and we direct the light to deliver. And we would like to clean any type of feelings associated with anger. Take a moment to think of situations that caused you to be angry, and bring the light as clear water to wash your liver from any energy of anger that accumulated there. We accept that it's not good for us to be angry, and we decide to make any effort not to get angry in the future. Unless it's a matter of life or death, it doesn't pay to get angry. The light cleans our liver. And we direct the light to the gallbladder. This time we wish to clean any type of bitterness. Everything that happens in our life is for a good reason. And in the big picture, everything that happens in our life is for the better to us. God doesn't play dice with the universe, and everything is accurate. And in our life, everything is for our higher good. We should accept it, even if we do not see it right now. And we continue and we send the light to the spleen in order to cleanse any type of sadness. The feeling of sadness is sitting. Allow yourself in the spleen, and we wish to clean it out. And now, in case that there is a health problem somewhere in one of the organs of our body, allow the light to flow to the specific area in order to remove the energetic blockage that is located in that place. Take a moment to clear the blockage. After removing blockage from one area, if it's needed, we can continue to other areas that needs that light. For example, if we have a health problem in the knee, means that there is emotional blockage associated with the knee. So therefore the light that flows like clear water washes the blockage away. The same idea, if we have pain in the shoulder, it's an emotional blockage. And we let the light flow through the shoulder to clean that blockage. We can have a blockage on the lower back or the higher part of the back, of the spine, and so on. So we'll take a moment to wash out any type of emotional blockages from all the areas of the body. Thank the light and imagine going back to the place you are in and feel that you are back. And again, breathe a little deeper. Feel your hands and legs. Feel that you are back. And open your eyes. Thanks for joining.